Hello fellow travelers, whether you're a seasoned explorer or setting out on your very first adventure, there's one thing we all have in common: the joy of bringing a piece of our journey back home. Finding the perfect souvenir is about more than just shopping. It's about capturing a memory, a feeling, or even a fleeting moment that made your trip special. Each item you pick up is a tangible reminder of the sights, sounds, and emotions you experienced. These objects become storytellers, instantly transporting us back to a bustling market, a sunlit beach, or the laughter shared with a new friend. They hold the power to evoke nostalgia and spark conversations about our adventures. Each souvenir is a chapter in our travel story, holding the essence of the places and people we've encountered. From handcrafted trinkets to local delicacies, every keepsake is a snapshot of a unique culture and a moment in time. They're not just decorations, they're reminders of our adventures and growth. Displayed in our homes, they become daily prompts to dream, to remember, and to share our stories with others. The real value isn't in the price tag, but in the memories and emotions they represent. A simple stone, a hand-painted mug, or a woven bracelet can mean more than the most expensive gift if it carries a story close to your heart. That's why protecting them matters. We're safeguarding a piece of our personal history. Taking the time to wrap and pack them with care ensures that these treasures survive the journey and continue to inspire us for years to come. The journey home is the final step in a souvenir's story. It's a moment filled with anticipation, hoping that everything you've collected arrives safely, ready to be cherished. So let's learn how to become expert guardians of these treasures and ensure they arrive home safely, preserving not just objects, but the unforgettable memories they hold. Every traveler knows the anxiety of getting a fragile souvenir home in one piece. Whether it's a delicate ceramic, a hand-blown glass ornament, or a beautifully painted plate, the fear of opening your suitcase to find your treasures in pieces is all too real. The excitement of discovering something special on your journey can quickly be overshadowed by the worry of how to keep it safe until you're back home. Fragile items can easily crack or shatter in transit, turning excitement into heartbreak. Even with the best intentions, a little turbulence or a careless baggage handler can spell disaster for your keepsakes. Sometimes it feels like no amount of bubble wrap or careful packing can guarantee their safety. Sometimes, things simply get lost. A scarf left in a cafe. A print lost on the metro. In the rush of travel, it's easy to forget something precious behind, especially when you're juggling tickets, bags, and the excitement of new places. The disappointment of realizing you've left a cherished item miles away can linger long after the trip ends. Textiles can get stained or wrinkled if not packed right, and oversized items can be a logistical nightmare. Fabrics might pick up spills from toiletries or get crushed under heavier objects, leaving you with souvenirs that look nothing like they did in the shop. And when you fall in love with something big, like a rug or a sculpture, figuring out how to get it home can be overwhelming. Trying to squeeze a bulky find into your luggage risks damage and extra fees. Overstuffed bags can burst at the seams, and airlines often charge steeply for overweight or oversized luggage. Sometimes, you're forced to make tough choices at the airport, deciding what to keep and what to leave behind. Sometimes, you have to make the tough call to leave something behind. It's never easy to part with a souvenir that holds memories, but practicality often wins out when space and weight are limited. The regret of leaving something special can cast a shadow over your trip. These mishaps can turn happy memories into disappointments. Instead of reminiscing about your adventures, you might find yourself wishing you'd packed differently or made better choices. But with a little planning, most of these problems can be avoided. By learning a few smart packing strategies and making thoughtful decisions, you can protect your souvenirs and ensure your travel memories stay happy ones. Let's talk about how. Protecting your souvenirs starts the moment you buy them. Whether you're picking up a delicate ceramic mug, a hand-woven textile, or a stack of postcards, thinking ahead about how you'll get them home safely is key. Souvenirs are more than just objects. They're memories, stories, and pieces of your journey that you want to keep intact. One of the easiest and most effective ways to protect fragile items is to use your own clothes as free packing material. Wrap breakables in soft t-shirts, sweaters, or even socks, and cushion them in the center of your suitcase, away from the edges where impacts are most likely. This not only saves space, but also adds an extra layer of protection. Don't hesitate to ask vendors for professional packing. Many have bubble wrap, sturdy boxes, or even custom packaging designed for travel. they're usually happy to help, and a few extra minutes at the shop can save you from heartbreak later. For flat items like prints, artwork, or pressed flowers, use reinforced suitcase walls or slip them between books or sturdy folders to prevent creasing and bending. Keeping them flat and protected ensures they arrive home looking just as beautiful as when you bought them. It's also smart to bring a small roll of packing tape and a handful of Ziploc bags from home. These simple supplies are lifesavers for securing and organizing your treasures, especially if you pick up unexpected finds along the way. Packing tape can reinforce boxes, seal up fragile packages, or keep items from shifting around inside your luggage. It's a versatile tool that takes up almost no space in your bag. Ziploc bags are perfect for protecting textiles from spills, keeping small souvenirs together, and even organizing toiletries or snacks. They help you stay organized and prevent little items from getting lost or damaged. A little preparation before your trip goes a long way. Taking just a few minutes to plan how you'll pack your souvenirs can make all the difference when you're on the road. With these simple steps, you'll not only protect your souvenirs but also travel with peace of mind, knowing your memories are safe. Soon, you'll be a packing pro, ready for any adventure. Some souvenirs are too precious or fragile to risk in checked luggage. Keep them in your carry-on. If losing or breaking it would ruin your trip, it belongs with you in the cabin. Use a firm-sided bag and extra padding, like a scarf or jacket, for added protection. The box-within-a-box method, nesting your item in layers, works wonders. At security, pack items so they're easy to show and rewrap. For small valuables like jewelry, use a dedicated pouch in your personal bag. Never check irreplaceable items or important documents. Keeping treasures close gives you peace of mind. It's a simple rule that saves heartache. Protect what matters most by keeping it within reach. The journey to protect your souvenir starts as soon as you leave the shop. Plan your shopping for the end of the day so you can return to your hotel and drop off fragile finds. For large or awkward items, consider professional shipping. Many shops offer secure, insured services. Always get tracking and insurance for shipped items. If shipping yourself, pack tightly and label clearly. Don't forget the trip from the airport to home. Handle your luggage with care. Unpack souvenirs first to check for damage. These final steps ensure your memories arrive safely. Bringing your treasures home is the last adventure. Customs can be daunting, but knowing the rules makes it easy. Research your country's regulations before you travel. Know duty-free limits and restrictions on food, plants, and antiques. Always declare your purchases honestly and keep receipts handy. Don't risk fines or confiscation by hiding items. Be cautious with souvenirs made from natural materials. Some may be prohibited. If unsure, declare the item and ask. For antiques or cultural artifacts, get proper export permits and certificates. Responsible travelers follow the rules and protect their treasures. A little preparation ensures your souvenirs make it home legally and safely. Even with the best planning, accidents happen. Souvenirs can break or go missing. It's okay to feel disappointed, but remember, the memory is what matters most. Broken items can often be repaired. Sometimes the repair becomes part of the story. If lost, retrace your steps, or contact Lost and Found. For theft, file a police report for insurance. If gone for good, consider finding a similar item online, or turning a photo into art. The experience is irreplaceable, even if the object isn't. Embrace imperfections. They add to your story. Every souvenir, whole or broken, is a testament to your journey. The real treasure is the memory you bring home. Not all souvenirs fit in a suitcase. Photos and recordings are powerful, weightless mementos. Capture small details and sounds to relive the atmosphere of your travels. Create slideshows or soundscapes to share your journey with others. Experiential souvenirs, like learning a recipe or a new skill, last a lifetime. Take classes, try new things, and bring home knowledge, not just objects. The connections you make with people are the most meaningful souvenirs of all. A conversation or friendship can outlast any trinket. These intangible memories enrich your life far beyond material things. Let your travels fill your heart, not just your shelves. Protecting your souvenirs is about removing stress, not adding it. With a little planning, you can shop confidently and enjoy the thrill of discovery. Don't let fear stop you from bringing home something you love. If something goes wrong, remember, the real treasure is the experience, not the object. Let your souvenirs spark stories and remind you of the world's beauty. Travel is about making memories, and souvenirs are just one way to celebrate them. With care and creativity, you can collect without worry. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Funny time, check out my funny short for this video and all my other videos. Happy travels, and happy collecting.